Okay, we're going to look at phonetics in Itsekiri language. So this is the ABD in Itsekiri. Let's say we're going to start with A. So the letter is called A, but is pronounced as A. It's called A and pronounced as A, as can be heard in art. A, as can be heard in art. You have words like ara, agba, atan, aga. The next one is bin. It's called B and pronounced as B, as can be heard in bay, bay. So in Itsekiri, we have words like baba, baje, abajo, D. It's called D and pronounced as D, as can be heard in the English word day. Day, that D in day. We have Itsekiri words like diden, diden, dite, debu, de. And the next letter is called E, letter E, but pronounced as A. A. The A you can hear in the English word eight. We have words like eju, egbe, ebi, ere. And the next letter is the E with the dot under. It's an E with a dot under. Is pronounced as E. E. The E you can hear in egg. We have Itsekiri words like ere, ere, eden, efan. And the next letter is letter F. It's called F, but pronounced as F. You can hear the F in the English word fee. The Itsekiri words are ifoto, fifen, fogo, fan. And the next letter is letter G. It's called G, but it's pronounced as G. G. You can hear the sound in the English word gift, the G in gift. The Itsekiri words under this, some of them are go bear, go, egin, gigo, and we move to letter I. It's called I, but it's pronounced as E. E. The E you can hear in the English word eat. Some Itsekiri words under letter I is ide, ire, ikolo, ilose. Then we have letter J. You can hear it. It's called J, but it's pronounced as J. J. You can hear it in the English word jilt. Some Itsekiri words with letter J is Jesus, Je, Jebi, Gigi. And the next letter is letter K. It's called K, but pronounced as K. K. You can hear it in the English word kill. Some Itsekiri words with letter K is koko, kin, ekiko, akiko, The next letter is letter L. It's called L, but it's pronounced as L. L. You can hear it in the English word Lee, the L in Lee. Some Itsekiri words with letter L is Le, Leju, Lude, Leme. The next letter is letter M. It's called M but pronounced as M. You can hear it in the English word me, the M in me. Some Itsekiri words with letter M is Mefa, Mefa, Mene, Emo, Mere. And we move over to letter N. Letter N. It's called N, but it's pronounced as N. N. The N you can hear in Neil. Some Itsekiri words with letter N are Nene, Nika, Noli, Nini. And the next letter is letter O, but it's pronounced as O. The O you can hear in only. Some Itsekiri words with O is Oro, Ore, Ohun, Olili. The next letter is O with a dot. It's an O with a dot, and it's pronounced as O. O. The O you can hear in order. Some Itsekiri words with letter O is Oko, Ole, Osa, Olire. The next letter is letter P. It's called P and pronounced as P. The P you can hear in peel. Some Itsekiri words with letter P is Pere, Pipi, Puru, Pira. The next letter is letter R. It's called R, but it's pronounced as R, R. You can hear it in the English word real, the R in real. Some Itsekiri words with letter R are Rereja, Ra, or Ra, Ru, Reni. The next letter is letter S. Letter is called S but pronounced as S. This you can hear in C. Some Itsekiri words with letter S is Susun, San, Sebu, Saba. The next letter is letter T. It's called T and pronounced as T. The T you can hear in the English word tail. Some Itsekiri words with T is Tobele, Tabu, Tama, Tigbin. The next letter is letter U. It's called U and pronounced as U. U. The U you can hear in U. Some Itsekiri words with letter U is Ututa, Ubi, Ubiro, Ugwe. And next is letter V. It's called V but pronounced as V in Victor. Some Itsekiri words with letter V is Vuvuno, Veke, Voin, Vin. And the next letter is letter W. is called W but pronounced as we in Itsekiri. The we you can hear in week. Some Itsekiri words with W is wine, wa, uwa, wawe. And the next letter is Y. It's called Y but pronounced as Y. The Y you can hear in yield. Some Itsekiri words with letter Y is yiran, yin, yiri, yide. And the last letter is letter Z, and pronounced as Z. The Z you can hear the Z. It's pronounced as Z. The Z you can hear in Z. A Itsekiri word with letter Z is Zion, ziggy-zag. So those are our consonant and vowel. But let's look at some other letters that you want to listen. When you find them in a word, you automatically know what the spelling of them are. We have in. This in is a nasal. It's a nasal verb. So sometimes the n can be silent. When you pronounce it, you pronounce them through the nose. So we have in words like king, gin, egin, esin, erin. Then we have en. The e with a dot is pronounced as eh, which is e with a dot and n. So you can hear them in words like den, re, egben, enye, agofen. Then we have the an. So you can hear it in words like kan, ra, tan, nwa. We have the the O with a dot and N. Is you hear it in words like con, gon, ọ̀wọ̀n, ọ̀dán, àkìdán. Then you have the UN. You hear it in words like kun, sun, ọ̀fun, ọ̀kun, ọ̀fúnma. Then you have the KW, kwa. You can hear it in kwa, kworo, kwe, kwe. Then we have the dotted S, the S with a dot under, which is also pronounced in the same way as TS. So you can hear it in she, shibu, shi, shan, shon. Is pronounced as sh. Then you have the GH, which is pronounced as g. In go, ugo, gigo, origo. And you have the GW, which is gu. You can hear it in words like this GW, GH, they are secondary consonant sound, and some other ones I've mentioned earlier. So you can hear it in words like guo, gua, gue, and ugwe. Okay? And we have the F and E with a dot, which is fe. The E with a dot is e. You can hear it in words like femi, fesen, fene, afen, afere, afen. Then we have the FO, which is fo. You heard it in foro, ifoto, fofo, Ifole, we have the WA, which is pronounced as wa, wa. You have it in Ogwa, Owa, Okwa, Gwa, and Kwa. We have the arrow I, which is Ri. Ri is, you can hear it in Irin, Eriri, Arira, Oriro. Then the KP, which is another secondary consonant, two consonants together, is pronounced as pa, pa. Pa, pa. You can hear it in pa, pe, akpa, ikpa, pa. Then you have the GB, which is also a secondary consonant. Two consonants sound together. You can hear it in words like be, be, ba, bin, bo. Okay, so here you can see the vowel sound in Itsekiri. There are the oral vowel a, e, o, u. Okay, and the next one is the nasal vowel. Some of the nasal vowel I've mentioned the other time. N, in, these are nasalized vowels. Then you have the primary consonants in Itsekiri, which are, these are the primary consonants. B, D, those are the primary consonants. You have the secondary consonants, the G and B, the K and P, the G and H, the K and W, then the S with a dot or TS and the GW. These are secondary consonants in the Itsekiri. So, and you have the Itsekiri, the alphabets, our alphabets, and that's just all. That's what this chart covers.